Hi guys, in front of me Logitech MX Master 4, and now I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when your MX Master 4 is not connecting when you plug in the dongle. So guys, don't worry, you are not the only one. In this video we will fix it. So here is the situation. You plug in the receiver. This is the original receiver from this mouse. So you turn it on the mouse and nothing happens. No movement, no connection. So let's fix it. So at the very beginning we should download and install Logi Option Plus application on our device. So we should have this application, right? Then click Add Device button. And here, as you can see, we have our dongle. I should use this adapter just because I don't have USB-C in my PC, but if you have USB-C, just connect this dongle to your USB-C. Okay, so connect it. Wait a while, and as you can see, it will automatically you will see this receiver here. But as you can see, in my case, it's not working. I'm trying to move my mouse, but nothing happens. As you can see, so we should click on this mouse and then select the source on your mouse. For example, source 1. Clicking on this button. As you can see, for example, now source 1 is blinking, and press and hold the source button. And as you can see, now we see on our Logi Option application one device found, MX Master 4. Click connect, and now we should check it up. Left click, then right click, then click left again, then click right again, then click left, then click right. As you can see, it asks us about click something. Click right again, left again, right again, and now click left and right together. Failed to verify. It's just because firstly I clicked right button when I should click one left. Okay, so try again. Right, 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 left, 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 and both. And as you can see, it works now. As you can see, it works. Can I change DPI? Yeah. Set up device. Now we have our MX Master 4, and as you can see, problem fixed. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. So it's true. So please leave me a like and a comment below this video. See you. Bye.